Wacker Neuson ET40 excavator pattern control changeover is controlled with the joystick switch here on the keypad. So I'll energize the machine. And you can see here when we press the pattern changeover switch on the keypad, it brings up the pattern control menu on the display. If I select the SAE pattern, the machine asks me to confirm that I want to make the switch, and I make the switch. The machine is now in the SAE control pattern. In order to do this, your left joystick console must be in the up or inactive position. If you attempt to make a pattern control change with the joystick down, you will get a message that the function is blocked and you need to move your control lever base upwards. That is the switch for changing patterns on an ET40 excavator.